Huawei P20 Lite is an upcoming smartphone by Huawei. The phone is rumored to come with a 5.84-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2280 pixels. The Huawei P20 Lite is expected to be powered by octa-core Silicon Kirin 659 processor and come with 4GB of RAM. The phone is rumored to pack 64GB of internal storage. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Huawei P20 Lite is rumored to pack a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 16-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Huawei P20 Lite is rumored to run Android 8.0 and be powered by a 3000 mAh. It is said to measure 148.60 x 71.20 x 7.40 height x width x thickness and weigh 145.00 grams. The Huawei P20 Lite tipped to be a dual SIM GSM and GSM smartphone that will accept nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options are set to include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, FM, 3G and 4G with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone are rumored to include compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer and gyroscope.